In this video, we compare HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and HS600 4K camera drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone is a versatile device equipped with a 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera that offers a wide-angle lens for capturing stunning aerial scenery. With a robust modular battery, the drone provides an extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, allowing you to explore and capture more of your surroundings. Despite its compact size, the HS440 is packed with intuitive and advanced features and comes with a handy carrying case for easy portability. The HS440 drone ensures a streamlined and safer operation with features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, along with the excitement of one-key high-speed rotation. The drone is perfect for beginners, boasting intelligent functions such as emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold, alongside user-friendly features like long flight time. Priced at $84.99, the HS440 drone promises a new adventure with every flight, making it an excellent value for money. The Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone is equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization that ensures rock-solid flight stability while capturing breathtaking 4K video and 12-megapixel stills. It boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission, thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission, allowing users to explore a wide variety of terrains and capture great photos. The HS600 drone has a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes, thanks to its dual battery setup, providing ample time for uninterrupted aerial filming. The drone also features a level 6 wind resistance, allowing it to withstand strong winds and ensuring unwavering stability during flight. The HS600 drone's GPS intelligent return-to-home function provides added security, enabling one-key return, lost signal return, and low battery return features. Finally, the HS600 drone is beginner-friendly with its follow mode and waypoint mode, making it easier for enthusiasts to transition into experts. In comparing the Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone and the Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone, several distinguishing features emerge. The HS440 drone, with its 1080p HD auto-adjustable camera and extended flight time of up to 20 minutes, is an excellent value for its price of $84.99. It's compact, portable, and packed with user-friendly features, making it a perfect choice for beginners. On the other hand, the HS600 drone, priced at $399.99, offers superior capabilities, including a 4K camera with a dual-axis gimbal, a remarkable 56-minute flight time, and a 10,000 feet range transmission. It also features a level 6 wind resistance, ensuring stability even in strong winds. The HS600's GPS intelligent return-to-home function adds an extra layer of security, making it a fantastic option for more experienced users. Both drones are manufactured by Holy Stone, a brand known for its quality and innovation in the field of remote-controlled vehicles. Therefore, the choice between these two depends largely on the user's experience level and specific needs.